Hello everyone. Hello Midday. This is Juliani Estillero, your former Midday's Batch 18 representative. I think that was 3 years ago. So I just graduated last year, June 2023, and I am currently an interior design associate at Morphoses Creative. So before I start this talk, I would like to express my gratitude to the organization for having me as a guest speaker in this year's interior design. So guys, medyo I want to be true to myself and I want to be true to you guys. So medyo medyo informal ang atake natin for these talks but because this is my first time. I'm not really into this. Hindi ako sanay. So and also I think this is will be a way for me to connect with you guys. So parang students to student ganyan. So I'm just here as your ate to give you some tips and advices and encourage you guys to hopefully join competition, more competition this year, no? So, uh, before we go to that, so I want to share with you guys my humble journey as an interior design student. Like, kung paano ba ako nag-start, paano ako napunta sa Mapua, and paano naging interior design yung uh, kinuha ko. So, entertainment like yung mga HDTV, tiny home. So, I was exposed to that during high school. So, high school pa lang, I really wanted to be an interior designer na. And then, pero I have a really few background lang. I just parang na-inspire lang ako. I want to be, I gusto kong maging ganyan kasi nag-ano lang, nagde-decorate lang, ganyan, nag-renovate lang, ganyan. Pero guys, since andito na ako sa industry ngayon, nagsisimula na, hindi pala siya ganun lang. And then, mas malaki and everyday stress, ganun. Pero that's a happy stress naman for me at the end of the day. So, ayan. So, I was inspired by that and then sakto no'n nung tinatanong na ako ng parents ko kung anong gusto ko and then sabi ko parang I want to be a interior design pero sa probinsya kasi I'm from Laguna walang ganong course. Even architecture here is a few school lang yung nag-o-offer. So sakto yung anak ng boss ng mami ko, interior design ang course niya before. So ah, nag-ano siya parang, binigyan niya ako ng tips and then, she also encouraged me to really to take the course. So, pero ito na nga, senior high, I wasn't parang sa sobrang busy ko and then sa Laguna parang few student lang yung mga nagte-take ng mga exams sa Manila. And then sa school pala here, mga university here, they parang few months before the actual enrollment, you need to pass muna yung entrance exam nila. And then, so parang hala, tapos na yung yung mga deadline. So, kinakabahan na ako, umiiyak na ako noon kasi pumunta kami ng ate ko sa UST and LaSalle. So, wala na, girl. So, parang ako umiiyak na pauwi. Tapos, nung sakto, I saw this post of my friend. Ano siya sa Mapua, nag-entrance exam siya sa Mapua. And then, upon checking, parang hindi ganun kahigpit yung exam here. Palang may few spot pa to take an entrance exam. So, the next day, after nung sa USD, nag-apply agad ako. Punta ako ng Mapua, kasama ko naman ng daddy and, ayan, na si daddy. Tapos, sakto nun, nag, parang, yung, ano ba, kung anong term to? Baka sakali ako na mag-ask for a scholarship and I got a scholarship. It is an income-based financial assistance. So, Mapua really offer lots of scholarship actually aside from that. So, tas yung IBFAP na yon, yung scholarship na yon, nagamit ko siya the whole year ko sa Mapua. It is 40% discount sa tuition fee. So, sobrang laking tulong talaga and then sobrang laking tipid. So guys, if yung mga first year natin dito, if you have time and try nyo mag-ask sa if you really need financial support, then try to ask the administration sa baba to if may mga slot pa for scholarship. I think sa second year may mga ino-offer din. So yan guys, try to do that. So ayun lang, yun lang yung ano ko and then 'di ba parang sobrang sobrang simpleng ano lang, kahit naman ngayon. So, I'm really happy and then actually this talk parang give me an opportunity to go back, 'di ba, yung mga experience ko na grabe pala hindi din super dali nung pinagdaanan natin and especially, isa kami sa mga batch na naapektuhan ng pandemic. So ito na nga, nung, 2021 I think, ayun na pandemic na no'n. So parang, ah, nasa bahay na lang and then few na lang yung courses ko, yung mga subjects ko no'n and then or units parang, I come to this realization na parang, hala parang hindi pa rin ako ano, hindi ako satisfied sa kung ano yung meron ko ngayon na parang gano'n lang, I'm just a simple student na parang every day I just or 'pag may plates parang I just need to finish, I just need to pass these plates na alam mo yun para lang maihabol, mairaos yung, quarter. So parang ayoko na nun. So what I did parang maiba, parang I want to join a competition but that time I don't have any idea even my batchmate, they don't have any idea about this competition until Michelle shared to us this competition, which is the EDV. So during my time, it is the 18th Estilo de Vida 2021. So EDV or Estilo de Vida is the country's premier inter-school design competition. So yearly siya ginaganap, guys. So I think every November siya ginaganap. And then mas lalo ako na-encourage nung may cash prize na related. So, 'di ba guys, gusto natin 'yan. So, we join parang ilan ba parang 4 5 kami na nag-join no'n that time and then, ah, guys, isa ako sa mga top 10 na nakapasok. Imaginin mo 'yun, yung I don't even have that much experience sa pag 3DS kasi 3DS yung nire-require nila, though they have the seminar to parang for tutorial, pero 'pag nandun ka na sa process parang mahirap kasi gawa ng, basic lang naman yung tinuturo. So, self-taught talaga din siya sa YouTube, yung mga ano, yung mga Indiano na professor. So, thank you to them. So, ayan. So, ayun na nga, nakapasok tayo ng top 10 and actually nung na-announce yun medyo funny pa kasi I was in the middle of a line. Parang magpapa-inject ata ako ng ano nun, ng anong tawag dito, sa anti-COVID. So, yung reaction ko as in hindi ko napigilan. So, medyo skandalosa yung datingan nung araw na yon. So, pero ayan, super, super happy ako nun kasi imagine mo 10 and then naisip ko top 10, oh my God, may cash prize. So, nakapasok tayo, guys. So, I'll be sharing with you guys yung presentation na pinrepare ko nung in-announce na yung top 10. Kasi after the announcement, they requested a file, like a vlog, and then a presentation, guide mo para dun sa ano preliminary judgment. Kasi i-interviewhan ka ng mga juror or judges para makapasok ka ng top 3. So, pero unfortunately, ayun, hanggang top 10 lang tayo. But feeling ko kinulang din talaga sa conceptualization and parang ilang weeks ko lang siya ginawa, guys. 1 to 2 weeks lang. So, alam mo yun, short effort pero merong ano, may makukuha pa rin. Ayan, guys. Share ko to yung screen. So, ayan. So, this is my presentation here. Ano lang, run through lang natin yung ano, tingnan lang natin. So, during my time nung 18th EDV kasi ang concept ay ang design problem is yung mga local online seller na na parang gagawan mo sila ng kitchen design. Ayan. So, by DK is a cake parang online dessert shop here in Binyan, Lagu. So, ngayon medyo malaki na yung ano din nila. They have lots of offering. So, ayan, nag-prepare si ante mo na video. I think Audio na 'to, hindi ko na 'to share medyo cringe. So, ayun guys, actually yung video na 'to, yung walkthrough, pinagawa ko pa siya sa batchmate ko, kay Kim. Thank you kay Masha, thank you so much. Kasi nagloloko na yung laptop ko noon, I tried so many times and magde-deadline na, wala pa rin akong walkthrough kasi required siya. So, ayun guys. Wait lang. So, ayun, pinagawa ko pa siya. So, thank you sa help, Masha. Pero ayan. May mga ganito din, kung ano yung mga situation before. So, pinakita ko siya during that time. And then yung concept, yan. And then, ito yung working drawings. Pag nakita mo siya ngayon, parang, girl, ba't kanya ka mag-drawing? Pero, alam mo yun, malaki pang improvement talaga na kailangan. So, I think, guys, kayang-kaya nyo to. Sumali kayo, guys. Sumali kayo lahat para the more the merrier. Merrier. So, ayan lang. Meron din required costing din, FF&E yan, and then yung panoramic view. Ano, pag nakita mo yung platforming ngayon, medyo tsaka na siya. Pero, it worked. Yeah. So, after after EDV, actually, 2023 naman, Miss Cathy introduced the ASDA. What is ASDA? ASDA is the American Standard Design Award. So, American Standard is a bathroom fixture brand, diba? So, they have this yearly competition then na they encourage yung mga student na mag-join. So, yearly, I think every January yung deadline. So, guys, may next year pa, may ilang months pa tayo to prepare, guys. So, here naman may ano din, ito yung ano nila, website, and then may criteria here, yung judging, kung paano sila ano. And actually, guys, late ko na na-realize na nag-email pala sila and I was shortlisted din. So, ito yung aking presentation. So, my concept, I think tatlo or apat kami nag-join kasi apat na lang kami nung batch namin. Apat kami sa batch namin na sabay-sabay. So, ayan. So, ito yung concept, parang banayad, then gentle touch, ganyan. So, medyo, medyo cozy feel, yan. Green wood. And then, ang pinaka dito is, to use their product sa design. So, ayan. Ito po, format nila to. So, pag nagpasa tayo, ganito yung magiging itsura. And then, when they send it naman. Yan, the elevation, and then, full bathroom perspective. That's so nice. And then, sayang, late na ako naka-reply. And then, I don't know, baka if naka-reply, baka sakali, no, na nakapag-present ako. Pero, I don't know, baka hindi naman talaga. And then, here sa website nila, you can see din yung mga winner. So, most mga nananalo from UST and LaSalle. So, guys, kailangan natin nandito din yung pangalan na mapuha, no? So, lahat kayo sumali. Lahat kayo sasali next year, ha? Lahat kayo magpapasa. And then, si EDV naman, they have a Facebook page and website also. So, noong 2019, guys, ito naabutan namin si Miss Joanne na nakita namin yung booth na ginawa niya. Kasi sa Estilo de Vida, during pandemic lang naman na-stop yung construction. Kasi pag nakapasok ka ng top 3, matik yun na bibigyan kayo ng budget and then you will construct it sa SMX, I think. So, ayan, si Miss Joanne I think nag-third place tayo. And guys, I think andito yung cash prize. So, tingnan niyo kung magkano na panalunan ko. Charot. Nasaan na? So, ayan. Top 7 na lang. Ay, top 7 na lang. Dati top 10. Top 10 semi-finalists. Makakatagap ng 10K each. So, ayan. Nagka 10K each ng Si ate girl. So, ayan, may mga napundar naman tayo dyan. And then, the second place, ito, I think this one is the updated na. Sa prices to ng student, 40,000. And then, yung first place, 75,000. And then, the champion, magkaka-draw ng 150,000. And then, sa mga mentors and professor, they will get these prizes also. So, may mga prizes din. So, our professor there and mga students, let's join EDV this year. November pa naman ang deadline. So, let's wait for let's check if andito na yung ano nila. I think wala pa. Kasi 2023 pa to. So, soon, maglalabas na din yan ng ano. Pero for this one, third year to fourth year student ang nire-require. Sa ASDA naman, I think they have here also may mas malaki ata ang cash prize ni ASDA. Pero kasi here, kasi medyo madami yung sumasali ng school and student. Pero guys, lahat kayo kasi sumali. Pag lahat kayo sumali, mas maraming mapipili. Ayan, may mga ano, entry level. So, level 1, yung national, I think, to sa Philippines muna. And then, pag nakapasok ka ng, ikaw yung nanalo, yung champion sa Philippines, ilalaban ka sa Asia. Yan. Then, what are the prices? Ato, naka-USD siya. So, i-convert nyo na lang, guys. 2,000 US dollar, 1,500 US dollar per second prize. Third prize, 1,000 US dollar. So, guys, ayun na. I'm here to encourage you guys to really join the competition. And seryosohin natin. Di naman yung time yung issue. Yung parang medyo loaded tayo. Pero, kahit konting ano lang, okay, konting time lang, magagawa naman eh. If, sabi nga nila, if you really want to do that thing, bibigyan mo siya ng ano, ng oras. Diba? So, let's stop na yung, para makita niyo ng aking magandang. So, so, ayun guys. Pero natatakot ako. Naka-record ba to? Alam. Ano pa ba? May mga nalimutan pa ako. Parang, ayun nga, kasi yung akin noon, singit ko na lang na, di ba, I'm looking for the opportunity. Pero, opportunity yung lumapit sa akin. So, ginrab ko siya. Buti na lang, ginrab ko siya. At hindi ko, alam yun, kahit sukong-suko na ako noon, parang medyo nahihirapan na kung paano ko siya isisingit sa mga workload ko. And then, nag-work pa, nagpa-part-time pa ako ng parang, ang daming ganap, masyadong maraming ganap sa buhay. Pero, ano parang may space pa rin. Meron yang time. Meron yan. So, ano, sa inyo naman, if yung opportunity wala, ano lumapit sa opportunity? 'Di ba? Yan na yun. Paano yun? Paano magagawa yun? And then, you search. You search online. Kasi kung gusto mo, for sure, these two is yung mga ano pa lang, yung mga lagi lang nakita. Meron pa yung mga contest dyan na hindi pa natin nasasalihan na kasi hindi pa natin na experience. I'm here to encourage each and every one of you na nandyan sa auditorium ngayon na to really join this competition. Kasi wala naman mawawala sa atin, di ba? Sa akin ba may wala na wala? Wala nga. Wala naman na wala. May tumagdag pa, di ba? May cash prize na dumating. So, and then, aside from that cash prize, kasi yung cash prize wala na yan sa akin ngayon. Wala na, hindi ko na napapakinabangan. Pero, ano yung, ano pa, impact nun? I'm here right now in front of you, di ba? So, parang, I'm sharing this experience. So, hopefully you guys, if you join, then you won, then you have this great experience. It's really inspiring. So, I think kayo na yung next time, kayo na yung next person na nandito, pinapanood or pinapakinggan ng mga student. So, di ba? I hope this talk na-inspire naman kayo sa mga kadadalan ko. So, let's take a photo. Di ba parang baliwala ako dito, nagsasalita ako mag-isa dito, wala akong kausap. So, hopefully guys, ma-meet ko kayo. And kung makita nyo man ako or sa mga events in the future, sa mga, kung may magkaka-work, yung mga may work na dyan, baka mag-meet tayo sa, ano, sa field someday. So, say hi to me, guys. Pakilala lang kayo. Kasi ngayon, hindi ko kayo nakikita. Wala akong kilala sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me. Carl, thank you so much. Mga professor natin dyan, thank you so much for this opportunity. And hopefully you guide the student po na and encourage them to join and be a mentor to them. Yun lang. And guys, kayo naman, huwag kayo mahihiyang mag-approach ng mga professor. If you want to join a competition, then go to them, ask them if possible pa, and then kasi you want to join, and then for sure tutulungan nila kayo. Yun ha? So, yun lang. I think that's all. I'm So, nairaos ko siya, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. See you sa field.